Hi folks, we came back here to the lighthouse pub, but we're not going in the pub, we're going over the hill here because Alfie wants to fly the drone, so we're going over this hill and fly the drone. Well, I go that way, I do, so you're not in a, there's nobody messing you about and saying, oh, it's on a drone, miss. Up. Right. Right, now backwards.
Good.
Right, stop. Yeah, easy innit? Yeah, come back now. Come down a bit. Turning. This here is spinning, look, you're spinning it around. Right, that's far enough down. Yeah, but you're facing the other way now, look. See this dot on here?
Yeah.
Let me open that dot up.
Got it.
Right. See the bird on there?
Yeah.
That tells you which way you're facing. See the blue dot?
Yeah.
That's us. Now if you go like that, see that little bird swinging around?
Yeah.
Have it facing you like that.
And then you go that way.
Push forward. And that's coming towards you.
Oh.
Simple as that. Simple as that. So you can keep an eye on that as well. Looney Tune. Keep an eye on there as well. We got people heading this way, but come over this way a bit as well. You don't even have to look at the helicopter. You can just look at Ella. See? Bring it down a bit. Down a bit more, boss. That one, down. Only touch one at a time, right? Don't do the two together. Right, come on down. This is facing you, so the camera's on you. Oh, you're going up, mate. Stop. Hands off. Right, down. Space. And stop. Okay. Now go up that way if you want to. Turn the arrow so it's facing that way. Turn it, turn it, turn it. That's it. Now go forward. That one. Yeah, yeah.
What's the range on it?
I've done 2.5 miles.
Really?
Yeah. It's a bit scary, but
Yeah, because they're quite expensive, aren't they?
yeah, and over water is even more scary.
We've got some good shots with that.
Yeah.
Every boy's dream,
Now bring it back over here now. Over that way. What? Alright, don't go by the people, mind. Stay away from them. Yeah, this wheel on the side controls the camera. I can look downwards or I can look upwards, like that.
Okay.
But have it on the arrow because you're getting a bit far away. Look, turn that around now.
Oops.
See if you can hover over this bag, bring it in slowly. Right, turn it a bit. Keep an eye on your arrow. No. No, no, look at your arrow. Make that camera face you. Turn it a bit. Yeah, see that's facing you now. And then forward a bit, down a bit. That's good. Right, now face that way, because there's people coming, and go over there a bit. That's it, up a bit. Right. What's the battery saying? Let me have a look at the battery. 47, okay. Yeah. The arrow does it all. You're not even supposed to look at that thing in the sky. You're supposed to do it all on there, mate. Watch these people out. Stay in that field. Stay there.
Down like here, yeah?
If you're in panic, go upwards. That's all you got to do. Right. Go over there in that field, please. Take off there. Got the SIM card, the memory card again, because Alfie wanted to fly, and I forgot to put the card in. Up, 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 up. Then if you panic, always go upwards. No damage. If you get a panic, push it upwards, man.